What's up, you guys? This is your boy Virgill Uchiha at you guys again. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And today on this episode, we're gonna go over how to install a door stopper. Mine's recently got blown away because of a blizzard. Like, it didn't get blown away, like ripped out the hinges. It just got bent and deformed, so now the door doesn't close on its own anymore. And it was a light duty one. As you guys see, this is a heavyweight storm door stopper, closer, whatever they call it. But yeah, let me show you the original one. So this right here is the original one. Like, look at that. That's horrible. So let me close the door before the cats run out. So yeah, that's the one that's installed. As you guys see, it's like a huge gap, and it's like being holding. Just pop that, it popped back open, and it's like so bent right there, like it's ridiculous. So, like, literally push the door open, comes back like that, so it don't close all the way, so you got to pull it each time. But there, got to pull it until it snap, then it will stay closed. So I'm gonna be basically just taking that apart, the whole assembly, replacing it with the new, bigger and improved one. First I got to get some tools. Ooh, it's snowing out too. I'm gonna need my trusty drill with a Phillips head screwdriver. So, yep. And back in we go. Whew. And it's snowing, so as you guys see on my snow. Whew. I'm gonna go ahead and switch cameras real quick. BRB.
Bright lights, the city before me. I've gotta pour myself that drink, put some lipstick on it big, really get myself together. Thank God I got some wisdom on me. It takes pain in order to gain it. I'm gonna pour myself that drink, sip some whiskey, have a think, and get myself together.
darn good. So, great stopping power. I loosened the bolt. Now it just comes and slams, which is good for the winter because you don't want it returning so slow that it'll end up snagging and getting taken by the wind. So, yep. Oh man. Another strap. Oh, never mind. That's all the way through. Okay, I thought that was kind of broken. So, that's all the way through, so it's good. So, before I go ahead and, let's see how many minutes I got left before it's time for me to go to work, or hours. So, I'm going to go ahead and clean up while you guys look at the video of me getting a parking spot at Super 8. So, yeah. It was horrible over the weekend at the blizzard. So, alright. Peace. At this point, the blizzard seemed to calm down. Standing on a couple of inches of snow. Probably like 1 or 2 inches of snow. And, yeah, going to check in at Super 8. Now I gotta walk back to the car and go ahead and get the shovel and bring it back inside so that other people can use it in the morning or whenever they're getting ready to leave or whatever. So, yep. I'd like to thank the manager from allowing people to use the shovel. The city ended up sending out plows throughout the whole night and morning. The roads in the city were okay, but going outside the city was a no-no. So, like, I had to spend another night at Super 8, and work that morning and stuff like that. And yeah, it was pretty a cool experience of being trapped in a city that you don't live in. So, yeah. Nah, until later I got stuff to do with that. But look at her trying to get out. So, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And your boy Virgill Uchiha is out. Peace, love, and hair grease. Bye. Ha! You guys thought I was finished. This is just the end notes so I can show you guys the difference between my car and the height of the snowbank. So my car is a 2000 Toyota Celica. This is my winter beater. It has 0 ABS, 0 traction control. So everybody at work be like, oh man, my car made it through the snow. They're running with a 2015 freaking Tahoe and stuff like that and saying, oh yeah, my car made it. Yeah, like, your car has ABS and traction control, so, and your car has more weight on it to give it better traction. But yeah, like, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe and enjoy the rest of this cut. Peace.